Hi, this is Coach Joe Lucas, and welcome to this special episode of the Magellan Network Show. And for those of you who've been following our show for quite some time, you've noticed that things are a little bit different today. We are actually in the middle of our multi-day 2021 strategic planning process that members of Magellan Network and guests have access to. We're doing it via live stream this year because obviously with COVID, we just can't get it done any other way. Today's topic is going to be how to elevate your game in 2021. So, it's very interesting. This is a time of year, we are mid-December, where you have half a foot in 2020, and then you're starting to put half a foot in 2021. And what I want to share with you is something that we teach inside of our business planning process, which is really it's simple, but yet powerful. It's a formula of how advisors can elevate, or the recipe to elevate their game in 2021. So because we're set up this way, we're actually going to use a whiteboard or a real big flipboard here. And I just want to walk you through it. So the one thing, we call this our core four, our core four. And inside Magellan Network, the tribe that I built, right, our network of advisors, this is one of our core principles. It's understanding the Magellan Core Four. And what the Magellan Core 4 is based on or built on are four separate entities that make up this recipe: mindset, vision, rituals, and energy. Energy. So let's talk about mindset first. The number one reason the number one reason you don't elevate to the level that you can elevate to is because you have some chinks in the armor. What we do every year, we spend the first day of business planning going over mindset. We call it MyOS, MyOS. We cover that. And inside of mindset are your beliefs. So what you believe about success, what you believe about failure, what you believe you're capable of doing, right? What you believe you deserve. Also inside of that is what we call your values, what's important to you. So like freedom, success, love, connection, excitement, achievement, and then the rules to associate with those. Second part of the game, right? The third part is your self-image, or we call the man or woman in the mirror. So here's reality. If you go and look yourself in the mirror or get your iPhone out and do one of those, what do you see? And if you see an imposter, or if you see somebody who's lucky, or you see someone who really, it just doesn't add a lot of value, like it's all about you, it will absolutely hold you back going forward. And you'll get to a certain level, and then everything stops. Your career kind of flatlines, your revenue flatlines, your growth flatlines, right? So we have self-image. And the fourth piece is what we call our internal dialogue, or ID. So our internal dialogue is basically, what's our self-talk? Do you call yourself lucky? What's the conversation like each and every day, habitually? Like when you get up in the morning, when you get a new client, when you lose a client, when you succeed, when you fail, like what are those habitual conversations like? Because they have a massive impact on your approach to the game of success. And it is a game, by the way. At least that's my mindset. So that's mindset. Next piece, vision. So what is vision? Vision falls into a couple broad-based categories. And especially now for you leaders who are running teams, this is critical as a leader. So what is the grand vision? What are you guys all about? What's our vision for the next 5 years? What's our vision for the next 36 months? What's our vision for the next 12 months? What are we looking to create? What are we all about? What's the culture? Those are all parts of vision. I don't care if you're a solopreneur or you're running a $5 billion, 150-person unit. Rules still apply. Does everybody on the team know where the team is headed? Whether it's a team of one or a team of 150. Because if the team does not know where it's headed, why are we going to be focused? Then you have a lot of wasted energy and a lot of people who think they have jobs, but they're not stakeholders. Remember, your team falls into three categories: people have jobs, people have careers, and stakeholders. We always want to surround ourselves with stakeholders. How do you create a stakeholder? You share your vision and they buy in. That's not managing them by bribing them with bonuses or threatening them with termination. It's when they buy in to the vision that you've laid out, assuming you have one. That's the second part of our core four. Third part, rituals. Now, rituals are what happens on a daily, weekly basis. So how you start your day. That's a ritual. That ritual may serve you. It may not serve you. You can kind of see a little bit. Oh, it's on this side. You can just see a little bit there of our Magellan Morning 8. If I can get our cameraman to maybe do a quick pan over there. But this is a ritual, right? These 8 things there, those 8 things there are rituals. That's how we start our day. And then throughout the day, pan on the other side, right here, we talk about our daily 5. Again, rituals, right? So what are your rituals as an advisor each and every day? Because your rituals either help you get to your destination or they sabotage your success. There's no 2 ways about it. So what are your daily rituals? 4th one, energy. Energy falls into 3 categories: physical, mental, and emotional energy. Physical energy, I call it gas in the tank. How do you feel at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon? Are you rock starring it out, or do you want to take a nap? Like, how engaged are you? Then there's mental energy, right? Are you present? Are you solving problems from people? Or are you kind of checked out a little bit? And then what we call emotional, which are you all in on your relationships? Those are 3 areas of energy. So mindset, vision, ritual, energy. This is what we call the ultimate success formula for a financial advisor. Mindset, have a vision, i.e. goals, how we roll every day, how we're feeling every day. So what we think every day, what our goals are, what we do every day, how we feel every day. One more time, and then we'll get you out of here. How we think every day, what our goals and vision is, what we do every day, how we feel every day. Core 4. Now, you all have a choice to make coming into 2021. Think about it. Grade yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 on these 4 things. Mindset, 1 to 10. 1 being, where's the nearest bridge? I'm going to jump, and I said it respectfully. To 8, 9, 10, right? I feel pretty good. I overcame adversity, and I'm ready to rock star out 2021. Vision, I have a 5, 10-year vision. I love it. Ideal life and lifestyle, that's like an 8, 9. Or I'm trying to survive each and every day. That's like a 1, 2, right? Rituals, I show up and see what happens. That's like a 1, 2, 3. Or I have a written daily game plan. I have a powerful morning success ritual. That's like 8, 9, 10, right? And then energy. I have more than enough energy. I take care of my body. I take care of my mind. I exercise. I eat right. 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm cranking out calls. I'm engaged with my team. That's like an 8, 9, 10. Or, man, I ordered a number 2 supersize, and it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to take a nap. That's like a 1, 2. I just want you, again, we're kind of not having fun with this, but I want you all to understand that this is the game. This is not about getting the next CFP or the next designation. This is not about, going and buying the next marketing course or digital marketing program or doing podcast or video cast or anything like that. This is the deal right here. All the other stuff I just mentioned is really kind of irrelevant if you don't master these 4 things. Now, could you do these other things and still get a level of success? Yeah. It's going to be temporary. You never stop learning these things. That's the game. So I just want to say this real quick to you guys because, we're recording this actually in the middle of our multi-day business planning session that we're doing for our members. And so I just wanted to get this Magellan Network Show out to you guys to really think about what you want to do next year. Like, raise your standards in all 4 areas. You raise your standards in all 4 areas, you're going to raise your bank account in a very dramatic way in 2021. So thanks for listening. Thanks for watching this episode of the Magellan Network Show. There might be some links below if you want to check some things out. And I'll see you next time. So there you have it. If you really enjoyed watching this episode, go ahead and subscribe to the Magellan Network Show with Coach Joe here on YouTube. And remember, I'm always here to help you become a better entrepreneur, business owner, and financial advisor. With that, I'll see you next time on the Magellan Network Show with me, Coach Joe. Take care and goodbye.